Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna exactly show you how you can create Windows 11 bootable USB. So it's actually very simple on how you can create it. You simply just need to go to your web browser and you need to go to Microsoft and you need to download its creation tool. So before that, just simply go ahead and press on download now, and you'll see two options. One is installation assistance and the other one is media creation tool. So you need the media creation tool. Just simply press on this, and once you press on it right over here, you just simply need to open the media creation tool. And right over here, once you open it up, it's just gonna take a while to load up, and here we go. Now right over here, as you can see, it's getting a few things ready, and here we go. Now you gotta agree to the license and then accept it. Right after that, you just need to wait for a while again, and then obviously it will show you English and then your Windows 11, and you cannot change anything from here. Just simply if you want to change it, you can do that, but there is no other option except Windows 11. Just press next. Now over here you'll see two options. So obviously you need to put in your USB flash drive, and it should be at least 8 GB. And also we are creating a bootable USB, so just choose USB flash drive and then press next. And as you can see, I don't have any USB in it, but once you have put a USB on your PC sockets, it will read the USB, and then you can put the Windows on your USB, and it's gonna be bootable. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you to the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.